Hello everyone, and welcome back to your third online baritone horn lesson. We got a lot done in class this week and I'm looking forward to practicing with you over the week. So you're going to need a few different materials. You will need your mouthpiece and baritone horn. We are going to start with just the mouthpiece now. You'll need your baritone third lesson sheet. You'll need your first rhythm page that you have in your folder. And you're going to need your red Standard of Excellence book. We're going to get to all that stuff today. So let's go ahead and get started. It says to get out your baritone, but do not attach your mouthpiece, and set a timer for 10 minutes. This is really important as we start to get better and better. We need to practice for an appropriate amount of time. If you pick up your baritone horn and you practice for 5 minutes and put it back, you're really not going to get very much better. So we need to practice for at least 10 minutes. Feel free to do more. But at least 10 minutes every time or it won't count towards your practicing. My timer has started right now. All right, so we're on number 2. Warm-ups. Play long notes on your mouthpiece. Buzz sirens. Don't puff your cheeks. So go ahead and grab your mouthpiece. Let's go ahead and play a high note, which remember we need fast buzzing for that. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice job. And now let's slow down our buzzing speed for a lower note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, slow. Nice job. Let's do some sirens from low to high. Let's do 3 in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice job. Let's tongue some ta and TT patterns. I'll go first. You follow me. 1, 2, here I go. Go. Ta, ta, ta. Very good. My turn. Ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta, ta. Nice job if you can keep up with me from there. Let's turn to our first rhythm page in our folder. We're going to play through numbers 1, 3, and 6 with tonguing, which is hopefully what you heard on those ta and TT patterns. Remember, we're saying 2, 2, 2 while buzzing into our mouthpiece. So the first rhythm, what you're going to see are 4 tas, 4 quarter notes, ta, 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 followed by what's called a whole rest. It kind of looks like an upside down hat, right? That is 4 beats as well, but it is 4 beats of silence, okay? So we're going to practice doing 4 tas, 4 beats of silence, and we'll do those 2 times each. Ready? 1, 2, use your tongue, ready, go. Rest. 2. Ready, go. Rest. 2. And we're done. Nice job. Number 3 is very similar. We have 3 tas followed by 1 rest. So ta, 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 rest. Okay? Let's give that a try 4 times in a row. And 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Excellent job. I usually like to use those rests as an opportunity to take a breath, to breathe in, to refuel our lungs, okay? And number 6, our final one is ta, ta, rest, rest. Here we go. 1, 2, give it a try. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Nice job. All right, we're going to open our books when you're ready now. So you can put that sheet away. Open your book to page 6. And you can go ahead and grab your baritone as well. Okay. Make sure those valves are nice and moving. Remember, your left hand is kind of holding on to it like you're giving it a hug. Right hand, thumb is under this tube. And then our pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger are on the valves. Pinky's kind of floating wherever is comfortable for you. And that is how we hold it. So let's review the fingers for the notes that we learned last week. So we learned D, C, and B flat, okay? Our note D uses valves 1, pointer finger, and 2, middle finger. 1 and 2. That's a D. Should sound like this. Let's give it a listen. All right. And now we have a D, which is valve 1, pointer finger, and valve 3, ring finger. Go ahead and play that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice job. And our final note, and I said the wrong thing. That was a C. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong sheet. So a C is valve 1 and valve 3. Sorry about that. D is 1 and 2. C is 1 and 3. And now our final note is B flat, and that is what's called open. If your note is open, that means no fingers are pressed down. We have open valves. That is our lowest note, and that means we need our slowest air. Let's try that. 1, 2. Here we go. Nice job. So those are the notes we're going to need today. Let's take a look at number 1. It says, time for band. We're going to play just the note D, 1 and 2, and we're going to play a whole note, which means hold it for 4 beats, and then rest. There's that whole rest again. All right, let's give this a try. Find your E. I'm sorry, I keep saying the wrong thing. Find your D. There we go. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, big breath again. Big breath, ready, go. One more time, here we go. And we're done. Nice job. Let's skip over to number 2 with our C. The fun continues. It's the exact same thing, but now we're using fingers 1 and 3 for the note C. Let's give that a try. Let's go a little bit faster this time. If this is getting a little bit tiresome practicing all these and you're kind of getting a little bored, you can definitely speed up the tempo if you'd like to. That might make it more interesting. So let's speed up the tempo on this one. Valve 1 and 3 for the note C. And 1, 2, ready, go. Press 2, big breath, ready, go. 1, 2, keep going, ready, go. 1, 2, last one, ready, go. And then we're done. Nice job. Now, if you skip over number 3, number 4 is the same exact thing we've been doing except with a B flat, which is open valve. I'm not going to play that one for you. I'm sure you can do that one on your own. We are going to skip to number 3 now, which is whole lot of counting. You might notice that the first note is that D that's right in the middle of the staff, 1 and 2. And then it moves to the C, 1 and 3. So we actually have different notes this time. So during the rest, it's a good idea to move your fingers. A lot of people think, oh, I have to blow and move my fingers at the exact time. You don't. You can move your fingers first and take one thing away that your brain has to think about when you play. All right? So let's start that one, number 3, whole lot of counting. Start with a D. Here we go. And we will do this one at a medium tempo, medium speed. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and move your fingers now. Back to D, ready, go. 1, 2, and last note, go. Nice job, and we're done. Now, if you get through all 4 of those, you are welcome to keep working because we need to hit that 10-minute timer. So we're going to be looking at numbers 5, 6, and 7. So what we're going to do now is take a look at number 6, and we're going to do what's called fingering, which is where we say the letter of the note that we see and put the proper fingers down, either 1 and 2, 1 and 3, or open, okay? So I'm going to do number 6, and number 6 starts with the note C. So go ahead and say that with me and do the correct fingers. 1 and 3. Ready, go. C, rest. Let's take a look at the next one. It's a B flat. Here we go. B flat, open. 1, 2. The next one is D, 1 and 2, 1, 2. The last one is C, 1 and 3. Okay, let's try and play that now that we've done those fingerings. Starting on a C. And 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and next note is. Move your fingers, ready, go. 1, 2, the last one is. Excellent job. All right, fantastic work. Obviously, if you have the time, play all 3 of those, 5, 6, and 7. Try and do those fingers before you do anything else, okay? So we've together just about hit my 10-minute timer. So now we're going to move on to number 4. It does say do this step only after getting to 10 minutes of practice. If not, repeat step 3 a few times and you can go ahead and change the tempo of that if that happens. But we've just hit our 10-minute timer. So we're going to go ahead and try playing hot cross buns again, tonguing every note. Okay, so your notes are written there right above the practice log section, D, C, and B flat. So let's go ahead and try and play through hot cross buns. Tonguing every note. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Big breath. Use your tongue. Great job if you can keep up with me there. From here, you're going to write down your practicing minutes. So today's a little bit different. You're going to write down the name of the day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day you're writing or practicing, write down. And then you're going to write how many minutes you practice under that, 10, 11, 12, or more. Remember, it's got to be at least 10 minutes. Otherwise, you cannot write it down and it doesn't count. All right, I hope you have a great time practicing this week. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.